There's anybody looking for a job, Dollar General is hiring, okay? And Family Dollar. What's good? It's your girl Veronica, aka the Beauty Slayer, and we is back with another video. Hey, back with another video. Hey, back with another video.
Working all day, all night.
Man, I was in the store and I was like, something don't feel right. And it was because I didn't have my camera out. I just missed all that little footage I could have caught, but I was trying to be nosy and see what was going on with the people working at this damn Dollar General. Because I'm like, people must not want to work. And it's because they ain't scheduling them enough. But even still, like, that's a good little part-time job if you just want, like, a few hours to have a little income coming in. Like, I don't know what it is with them not wanting to, I know they're making enough money to hire more people. You can't say that. Still, you're a dollar store. Either it be Family Dollar, Dollar General, or Dollar Tree, you are a dollar store. And I know you got money coming in. So why you can't hire more employees? All right, what's going on? Oh, child. The sign said, I'm coming up. I want the world to know. Got to let it show. I'm coming. I'm coming up. That's what the sun said.
I still have $2.
Yeah, I still got $2.
Who?
Me.
It's mine.
That's my money, boy.
Oh yeah, guys, what's better, Kit Kats or Twix?
Right, let's ask the people. Which one's better?
Kit Kats
Or Twix?
Or M&Ms. Now,
Or
everybody
M&Ms.
knows Twix are better than anything.
Marquise said M&Ms.
M&Ms are better.
Maurice think Kit Kat's better.
They good.
I think even though I picked up a Kit Kat bag today, I still feel like taste-wise, Twix is a better candy. Smash the like if you agree with me. Okay?
Have you agree with me?
Is that a quarter?
No.
No? I can't really tell.
If
My
you agree with me,
glasses
comment
want to
down
come.
below and say Kit Kats are better. No,
Kit
comment
Kat.
down
Oh, you said
below.
Twix better?
M&Ms are Kit Kats.
Twix better?
No, Kit Kats.
No, Twix.
M&Ms.
Come. Okay, just come on. Man, what? Don't listen to Maurice.
That was really good. Wendell.
No, you wasn't.
They're better than Kit Kat and Twix.
Oh my God.
So you tried to disrespect my Twix? No. I made the candy.
You ain't make that.
Those candy so good. I could eat 100 of them.
Oh, child, let me get up in the car first. It's hot. I'm bringing it up.
Motorcycle.
I'm hot. I'm tired. Already. It has been a day. I was supposed to go to the store. Shit.
Oh yeah, I'll buy you this for Mother's Day. Okay. Said it, you do nothing.
So,
And that's fat.
I'm gonna catch up with you guys once we get back in the house and settled in. It's honestly too hot
You have a nice
out
bike.
here to be talking. So, when I get in the house, I'll hit you back up. Alright, so we are back at the house. No, you good. And right now I'm just planning the rest of the day. Don't mind the drawing. The kids did that. So I'm just trying to write all my stuff down, what I gotta do. So far I know I just came back from the store getting some random stuff I needed for the house. So I'm writing my little list that I need to do. I know I need to wash the dishes today. I'm probably gonna throw in like a load of laundry. I put planned YouTube video, which is like film basically, because I'm doing a daily vlog today for you guys. And I do need to finish my food stamp application because child, they doing the most. So let me put that one there. I already checked the mail, so I don't have to put that. I'm gonna put trash on here. Yeah, I'm gonna have to cook some dinner. Yeah. Huh? I love. So right now I'm just watching goddamn Zoe. His head motherfucker funny. He just posted a video.
Oh, no, this was just right there.
Ah!
I like the big old one.
Oh!
That big curvy.
Oh!
The hair like a mushroom sun.
Oh!
That's what I love. I want it all the time in the morning and night. That's what I love.
Oh my God!
And
Did you like it?
I ended it. He really.
Zoe is a trip. Shout out to goddamn Zoe. I hope one day he see one of my videos. Man, that man is funny.
Give me my drink.
That is funny. That man too hilarious. That man is hilarious. So, back to planning. And then working on this vacation. I'm trying to plan that too at the same time. It's a lot, girl. I'm saying girl, but it's guys watching. It's a lot going on, y'all. So right now, I just, like I said, I just came back from the store, and I'm just chilling. And so I'm not. No, I'm not gonna say I'm just chilling. I'm not just chilling because I'm actually working. I'm planning the rest of the day out. I don't want to just like, oh, what do I have to do? No, like I want to have it all planned out. That way, I know what I need to do for the rest of this week. I'm just trying to plan everything out, you guys. So that's what we're doing. So let's take my mommy break and then I'll be right back. You already know I have to give you my Mountain Dew. Mountain Dew, can y'all please sponsor me? I drink enough of y'all. I don't spend like over thousands with y'all. Like, please sponsor me, girl. Please sponsor me, Mountain Dew. Please sponsor me. Yes. Come on, today my lucky day. Yes, baby. Hey, cash that for me. And then I'm done. And we are done for the day, you guys. It has been a long day. My feet hurt, but it has been a really blessed day. Y'all seen me travel all day today. Y'all seen me come up all day now. I don't hit 2 times on the dollar ticket. Oh, okay. So, and in the meantime, while I was doing all that, hey to my new subscribers that just subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much for pushing that button. You're a real one. You're a real one. I'm just eating what is this called again? A Pop-Tart. S'mores. Nothing special. You better come get yours, my piece. But smash that like button. Go check out my other videos if you're new to my channel. Just go check out some of my old ones and see, you know, what I've been doing. Because your girl been posting. I don't know where you been, but I've been posting. People be like, why we can't chill? Because I be posting. They be like, I see you. I was like, yeah. But I'm going to do something special tomorrow. I'm trying to stay consistent. I don't want like too many days falling behind where I'm not doing a video. Because I want y'all to know that I'm not playing. I'm serious. I'm coming. You see? The numbers finna keep going up. Up and away. But I'll see y'all tomorrow.